It was a sad day in Kentucky when the final section of an 84-year-old bridge was demolished. The 60-foot section of Milton Madison Bridge between Kentucky and Indiana was taken down in an epic but controlled explosion. Traffic was still able to cross the same area by a replacement bridge built on existing pylons alongside the Milton Madison. Work will now begin on widening those original piers. The final steps come later this year when the bridge will slide onto them in what is thought to be the longest bridge slide ever in North America.